Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to my Dacia Spring Extreme, the 65 horsepower one, which is absolutely fantastic. If you're thinking about getting a Dacia Spring, go and test drive one. I think you'll be more than happy with it. The 0 to 40 mile per hour on it is absolutely superb. Now, let's talk about charging and the resilience of charging. I come from an IT perspective, and when it comes to architecture of servers and services, we tend to have multiple backup solutions just in case anything happens. And I tend to get a bit paranoid with charging my mobile technology, and as such, I tend to order lots and lots of these things for charging my mobile phone, or charging my iPad, or charging the laptop, etc, etc. I tend to order lots of them, and in this case it's the iPhone. I tend to order lots of them because sometimes I end up standing on the cables and they damage, so I need constant assurance to myself that I get charge into my iPhone and my other technology. Now I've gone and bought an electric car, the Dacia Spring. This now brings up another dilemma. I had to buy the granny cable to charge the car, but now I only have one granny cable, and so a company called EVDance or EVDance has been in touch with me, and they have kindly sent me one of their type 2 or mode 2 charging packages, charging cables, which allows me some resilience now. And on top of that, the model that they've sent me actually allows a bit more functionality than the standard one that comes with Dacia's internal offering. So now the beauty about it is now I have two, so in case one fails I've always got a backup. And because the EVDance version charges this car up slightly faster, just slightly faster, I think it's 2.2 amps or 2.4 amps rather than 2 amps or 2.2 amps, it's a much better offering for me. Yeah, so, and they also do a lot more other high ampage chargers as well, charging cables as well. So I want you to go and have a look at these and go and order some. I think you'll be really impressed with some of the stuff that they've got. So if you've only got one cable for your electric vehicle, you might want to order a spare one from EVDance and have the satisfaction that should your current cable fail, that you have a backup. Let's go and have a look at what it does. Here we go. There's the Dacia Spring. So let's have a look at the box that it came in. The EVDance charging cable. There we are. Here we go. This is probably what you want to see as well. These are really good. I'm going to show you it in a minute, but I thought I'd give you all the specifications and things like that off here. I don't really want to talk too much about it because I don't want to get it wrong. Let's have a look at how it works. So, the package, or the charging cable, comes in a beautiful case. Yeah, comes in a beautiful case. Let me open up the charging door of the Dacia Spring. Here we go. Now normally we would plug it into the wall first. Yeah, and just to be clear, this is the normal 3-pin socket. Yeah, for the UK, and of course they do other European ones as well. So I'm going to plug that in to there. There we are. That's ready. Let's go and plug it into the house. Normally it's in the garage, but so I can show you things a bit better, we'll plug it in at the house end. Okay? Okie dokie. Hopefully you can see this okay. I really hope you can see it. But I've plugged it in. It's in it, plugged in the car. And what it's actually doing is, it's showing you that currently it's 20 degrees Celsius. It's charging. It's been charging for 38 seconds and counting upwards. It's using 12 amps to charge. And it's charging at 0.03 kilowatts an hour. The current offering from the socket is 238 volts at 12 amps. Here we are. And it's charging at 2.85 kilowatts per hour. So what it's going to do is it's going to charge up the battery at 2.8 kilowatts an hour. 10 hours, whatever, is 28 kilowatts. So that is really cool. It's actually faster, just slightly faster than the Dacia equivalent that you pay for £150. Now there's some great prices online and for EVDance, and I really do suggest that you consider buying one of these. Also, with this A button, you can change the amount of ampage of which the charge is going through to the battery. And I'm trying, do I hold it down? I forgot. There we are. So 13 amp, 6, 8, 10 and 13 amp. So it'll select 13 amp and then it'll bring it down to 12. Oh, it's gone up to 13 amp. So there we are. Oh, it's come back down to 12. Okay, so you can actually change how much ampage goes through to your battery. So you can reduce it or increase it as you see fit. What do you think? What do you think? This is great. This is really great. So now I've got 2 charging cables, admittedly on granny charge, but that's fine by me. Granny charge is perfectly fine by me. But I hope this helps you. Let's go for a quick spin in the car and let's talk about the car. There's absolutely no reason to have just one charging cable for your car. You wouldn't do it for your mobile phone, and the car gets you to work and back. So you really need to consider having multiple charging solutions at home for your electric car. And this isn't just for the Dacia Spring, this is for any electric car. Just think if when you put your car on charge at night with 20% in the battery and you woke up and there was only 20% in the battery because the charging cable had failed. You need to build resilience into the architecture of managing your car. So don't sit around, go and get another cable so that should anything happen, you can quickly put the alternate cable onto the vehicle and start the charging process as you need to do, so that you can get to work and get out like you would normally do. There's nothing worse than waking up and finding that the charging that you expected to happen has not happened. And of course, like I do on the app before I go to bed, I always check to make sure that the car's been charging for the last 3 hours and that the charge is rising and that it is still charging. That's great, because that's what I do, knowing full well that hopefully in the morning everything will be fine. But at least with an additional cable, should something go wrong, I can swap out the cables, the charging cables. And you can buy those cables from EVDance. The link is in the description. Go and buy yourself one and give you that comfort that should anything fail, you can still charge your vehicle from home or out on the street, where you tend to use the expensive charging capability at the various stations that are around. I only charge mine from home, so this is brilliant. That said, I think I'm going to have a 32 amp socket bolted onto the side of the house and use 7.7 kilowatts, I believe. I'm not an expert on this. 7.7 kilowatts charging capability, which means that this car with some 28 kilowatt hour battery will charge in somewhere in the region of 3.5 hours or less, depending on how much battery charge is in the battery, which is great. Which is great. Currently, from 20% to 100%, and I do run my battery to 100%. It takes currently on the granny charger, regardless of whether it's EVDance or the standard Dacia offering cable, it does take quite a few hours, and I'm okay with that. I am okay. It fits my lifestyle and the rationale for having this vehicle perfectly. It really does. It's a great car. I'm not an EV evangelist. I'm not. I understand there are issues with the climate and all that good stuff, but I have no influence. It doesn't matter what I say. Someone higher up has to manage that. But I didn't buy this electric vehicle, this EV, based on climate change. It was purely a numbers game on how much it would cost to buy, how much it would cost to run, balanced against the other car, which is a Mercedes 2.1 diesel. And sure enough, this car is 72% cheaper. 72% cheaper than the Mercedes to run. There we are. Brilliant. This is what happens when you live in the country lanes of Staffordshire. And that's fine, everybody's happy. Eckershall, where I live, is such a nice place, such a lovely place, and the hill, you can see the countryside that's around me. It's absolutely gorgeous, and this thing is perfect. This Dacia Spring is perfect for what we do. 40 miles a day for helping the community. Yeah, it's amazing. But we need to make sure that when we get up in the morning, that this car is ready for the next day ahead. And that's why we now have 2 charging cables to offer that little bit more resilience. You have two charging cables for your phone, for your smartphone. Why are you not doing the same approach with... Here we go. With your electric car? You should do. I hope you found this interesting, and EVDance products are really, really cool. They are really cool. And if you want to buy one, go and have a look in the link below. Thanks very much for watching. Drive safely, be kind to everyone, and eat healthily. Hope you enjoyed this. and I shall see you very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.